Hi there, it's Mark Davison. I'm with ISG, and I'm the global partner responsible for our robotic process and cognitive automation practice. They asked me to put together a brief video to talk about our upcoming Automation Summit. Each year, ISG sponsors an Automation Summit, and this year's event will be in New York on July 18th and 19th. And we're very excited about it. We've got a great agenda plan. When we think about automation and what's important and relevant to our clients, we think about things like, of course, robotic process automation. We think about cognitive automation solutions. We also think about blockchain, and that will be prominently on the agenda as well. We have a number of customer panels. One panel will be featuring lessons learned from clients who have actually gone through the journey. They're somewhere along the way. They've started it. They're at various levels. They could be at Bot 1.0, which is implementing RPA. They could be at Bot 2.0, which is implementing RPA to some level of maturity, but then also experimenting or piloting with cognitive solutions. We also have a customer panel talking about cognitive technologies that are being used, everything from machine learning to chatbots and some other innovative solutions using inference models and other more sophisticated machine learning technologies. We also have a panel on organizational change management that I think you'll enjoy, which is talking about not just the theoretical, but the practical implementation of how companies are managing the change in the organization as technology, as automation technologies begin to expand horizontally and vertically. The last thing I want to mention, though, is an exciting announcement about some research that our research team has been doing. At ISG, we have a research team that does a lot of research in the market and is primarily focused right now on automation research. So we're identifying trends and we're studying what's happening out there, and we want to bring you the results. And so this announcement that'll be made will be some new research, which is examining the progress of companies toward what we call Bot 3.0. So I mentioned Bot 1.0 and 2.0. 3.0 is where robotic process automation is mature in the organization, and so is cognitive solutions, and they're working side by side. And I think it's very exciting. Our research folks will be announcing this. What's cool about this is not just what's happening, but learnings about how to get there. And at ISG, we have a process for this. We call it bot vision, creating your bot vision, and how you scale from where you are today, even if you're at Bot 0.0, which is no bots, how you get from there to where you can leverage that technology and become a true competitor in your industry or in your segment. So we'll be talking about this. We'll be talking about the results of our research. We'll be talking about the process of getting there, which is everything from thinking about strategically how do I optimize the investment in automations and bots in my enterprise, to how do I stand up my center of excellence and how do I mature it through the year so I can be assured that I have the right resources working on automations and I'm making the right investment decisions from a governance standpoint, to the end, which is measuring and monitoring, driving metrics, and tying back to the return on investment analysis that I may have done up front in my business case that allowed me to go ahead and make the investment in some kind of automation technology. An important part of this process also, and the last thing I'll mention on this video, is thinking strategically about getting to Bot 3.0 and how it plays with other initiatives and strategies in the business. Many of our clients have business strategies, they have digital go-to-market strategies, they have IT strategies, they might have strategies that certain divisions have for developing and releasing new products. So how does automation play in all of that? So the idea of creating a bot vision or a strategy of how to leverage and optimize the use of automation technology in the enterprise is all about having that strategy mesh with and support those other strategies. It's very exciting. We have a great agenda planned. I hope you'll join us at this year's Automation Summit, ISG's 2018 Automation Summit in New York City, July 18th and 19th. Thank you.